Is your Spectrum cable box not responding to your remote? The most common causes are pairing issues and line of sight problems with IR remotes. Ensure your remote is properly paired, especially if it's a newer RF or Bluetooth model. For RF remotes like the Spectrum UR5U8780L, press the pairing button on both the remote and the cable box, following the on-screen instructions. If your remote is an older IR model, it relies on direct line of sight. Make sure nothing is blocking the path between the remote and the box, like furniture, walls, or even direct sunlight, which can interfere. Remember, IR signals are light-based and can't penetrate barriers. The effective range is usually 15 to 30 feet. If voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant is supported, ensure this is set up correctly. A quick reset can also help. Unplug your Spectrum box for 60 seconds and plug it back in. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced fixes. Ensure you have fresh AAA or AA batteries in your remote. Reprogram the remote using Spectrum's on-screen guide or manual codes. Universal code 001 often works. To reset the remote, try holding the OK and menu buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. If you're still having issues and live in an apartment, consider interference from mirrored furniture or shared walls. Repositioning the box or upgrading to an RF remote can help. As of 2024, some users reported 5G interference causing false commands. Ensure your remote has updated shielded RF modules. Looking ahead, Spectrum is moving towards app-based controls and remotes with NFC pairing and potentially AI-enhanced remotes with gesture recognition to minimize line-of-sight dependency. But IR remains a reliable backup, particularly in rural areas.